These channels are going to be in the description of all my videos. And so please take the time to subscribe to them. You'll learn a lot. There's links. You go to the description of my videos that I've created lately, and there will be links to every one of these channels. Please take the time to sign into YouTube, go to the description, and subscribe to all these channels. Cheryl Adair, she's a lady that I'm going to give a clock away once she reaches 1,000 subscribers. Just Mike, he does a great job at repairing clocks. Torsion Dell, anniversary clocks. You don't have to have anniversary clocks to learn stuff. This guy right here is 15 years old and repairs all of his own clocks. Matthew Reed has 2 channels. You'll learn a lot from his channel. Jody Davis creates and designs and sells cuckoo clocks that are made right here in the United States. Mark Dalton, he's got great videos out to include on antique cuckoo quail clocks. Trumpeter man Frank Snyder, he shows clocks that a lot of people would give a lot of money for or give up body parts to own. Scotty's Clock World. What I like most about Scotty's Clock World is the fact that he shows how the J levers and all those stuff on antique American clocks work. And those clocks is clocks that I have trouble with. And there's so many different brands, styles. You can have the same maker who made different styles. One time they would put the J hook here, the next time they put the J hook here. It's confusing as crap. But Scotty's Clock World does a great job explaining how to put them together. Clocks with Seth, his videos are professional. He shows clocks, mainly his dad's clocks, gives you the history on them. He goes to NAWCC meetings and shows you history on not only clocks and watches. Jordan Busby, another young horology. I'm a firm believer in supporting the younger generation. If you don't support the younger generation, the clocks that you love will end up in the trash. So support the younger generation. And this guy right here, David Texador, he's had a YouTube channel for 11 years, and I became his 48th subscriber. He subscribes to my channel and Cheryl's channel and a few other people's channels. Scotty's Clock World. He advertises for Cheryl and Scotty's Clock World in his homepage of YouTube and a few other people. But please take the time to subscribe. It's free to do so. You don't have to pay a dime to subscribe to anybody's channel. Now, some channels have it to where members only can see certain videos that people who don't pay a membership fee can't see. My channel has always been and will always be free. YouTube sends me hints all the time to make a member only section. I'm not going to do it because I always said my channel will always be free until YouTube changes it. And once YouTube changes it, I will quit posting videos. But please take the time to subscribe. It doesn't matter whether you're on your phone, whether you're on your TV, or whether you're on your computer like myself. If you're on your TV, there's certain ways that you can do it. And I have a video that explains how to do it. You figure it out depending on what you use. I don't know what you use, but please take the time to subscribe to their channels. Well, you have to sign into YouTube. If you don't have a YouTube account, it is free to create a YouTube account. All you have to have is an email address. And most people have an email address because they have a Facebook account. If you don't have an email address, there are free email address accounts that you can go to. I have a Yahoo email account. No, I'm not going to tell you what it is because I never go there. That I created like 25 or 30 years ago, and I've never paid a dime to have this free email account. But there are other email accounts. If you have the internet, more than likely you have an email account. You have to be signed into YouTube to subscribe to these channels or to make comments on their videos. So please take the time to do so. And again, I'm making it easy for you. Every channel that you've seen is going to be in the description of my videos. Let me take that back. Every channel that you see from mid-May of 2026 onward is going to be in the description of my videos. Today is January the 8th. I added this guy to this section here. So his channel is in the description of my videos. Please take the time to subscribe.
Hey everybody, it's Mark again. And if you live in New York or the surrounding states, or maybe you live in the United States or overseas, and you have a cuckoo clock that needs repaired, or that has got some damage to the clock, this guy right here, who I call Grasshopper or Sir Lucky, Robert Lindsay. That's what he looks like. He started watching my YouTube videos, and he collects mainly antique cuckoo clocks, and the man is talented. He'll polish up all the movements to where it's a mirror-like shine in the movements. He polishes all the parts, but he also knows how to carve broken pieces. So let me show you some of his stuff. This is a clock that he's working on, and of course he's got a stain in it, but this is what he's carved. This is original. This is what he's made, and he's still got a stain in it, but it looks original. He does a really good job at carving and fixing stuff. This is what the clock is going to look like when he's done. This is a topper that this is paper. This is a topper that he drew from that paper onto this wood. This is one of his clocks that he fixed. Another clock from his collection. 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 And he, like I said, sorry about the glare you see me in this video, but he repairs all these clocks. He buys them and he repairs all these clocks himself. And he doesn't have an ultrasonic cleaner. He uses mother's mag and aluminum polish and Q-tips, and he polishes up all the parts. When he's done, the parts look brand new, and he doesn't have any issues with them. This is one of the movements that he cleaned. And unfortunately, it's a picture, so I can't show you how shiny it really is. Another clock of his. Another clock of his. The man is fixing to retire from construction, and I told him, Robert, why don't you work on cuckoo clocks for people for extra income? And he's told me he's willing to do that. He lives in Geneva, New York. The man is talented. I call him Jed Clampett. He can take a knife and whittle almost anything. This is a horn. It was broke up here. He carved it. Another clock from his collection. Another clock from his collection. Another clock from his collection. And I believe he carved some of the pieces on this thing. I think it was broke. Another clock from his collection. Because it's not working properly. It's not the right chain. I'm sorry, that's not from his collection. That's me asking him a question. I posted this to his page. He posted this picture to a group that I'm the admin for. He made this topper. The man is extremely talented. And so, like I said, if y'all need a cuckoo clock serviced, repaired, broken parts, fixed, contact Robert Lindsay. This is his profile picture. And this is a picture him and I just got through. Sorry, I already showed you that picture. But anyway, contact Robert Lindsay. The man is talented. Contact him if you need your clock, cuckoo clock, serviced, repaired, broken pieces carved, whatever. May God bless each and every one of you.